Some tips before installing your Hugolog lock: you're going to want to make sure that the deadbolt is in the unlocked position and slid all the way into the door. You're going to want to make sure that the torque blade is in the horizontal position and flat. Slides in like this. And the back plate will install with this side on against the door, and the data cable will slide through there. And now you can install your anchor screws. Once the anchor screws are installed, you're going to want to make sure the rotation shaft is installed horizontally over the torque blade. Slides on like so. And on the back of the lock, you're going to want to make sure the thumb turn is orientated vertically. When installing the data cable, you're going to notice two red marks on both ends, and that's going to show you how they orientate and connect. And once that's connected, the back can just slide on the back plate. When you hear it snap down and it's flush, you can now install the back of the lock. Once the back of the lock is secured to the back plate, you can test the deadbolt by turning the thumb turn and making sure the deadbolt slides in and out smoothly. Then we'll go ahead and install our last battery. And while it's powering on, we will reset the lock by holding on the reset button for 5 seconds. This will teach the orientation of the door. Now the lock is reset and knows the orientation of the door. Once the lock is installed, your master code will unlock the door. And you can lock the door from the outside by holding down any key for 2 seconds. Your lock's now installed.